Hello, Ultra Gamers, and yo, what up, my freakazoids? It's me, the Gaming Freak, and today we are gonna play some more of The Wolf Among Us. So let's get this started. So we're gonna see our first witness right here, a freezer.
Damn it.
We'll just make some more ice, dude. And there's the fridge.
Should have got a smaller one.
Okay, it doesn't make sense why you want a smaller fridge, but okay. I guess to get more space.
Bluebeard's file. Never trusted this guy.
Of a guy like Bluebeard, how can you?
Probably a bad sign.
Okay. Okay, let's look at it. It's a fan.
At least this still works.
I guess you could say you're a fan of this game, guys. Well, let's grab it. Or just turn it on.
At least this still works.
Okay, I don't know why I did that again. Okay. Why do you have a dead pig? Oh, okay, it's not dead. Wait, you have a pet pig?
Not again.
Let's tap it.
Oh, hey, Big B.
Oh my gosh, the pig talks.
I've only got the one. So yeah.
There's only the one, yeah. Okay, talking toads is one thing, but a talking pig? This place is something for fables.
Got a smoke?
Okay, so he also smokes. Don't smoke, people.
Thanks. Couple thousand more of these.
Why do you think they make commercials about this?
This has gotta stop. You can't keep sneaking off the farm like this. The fresh air and sunshine pitch they sell you on is bullshit. I didn't escape out of the homelands to end up in some prison, okay? Don't send me back there, Big B. You don't know what it's like, okay?
Alright,
I haven't been there.
I won't.
Calm down. I'm not sending you back.
That for
me? Nope. The house didn't blow itself down, Bigby. That's all I'm saying. Do with that what you will. Now, I'm not saying it's reason enough for me to have definitely been offered a drink, but, it would have helped ease some of the pain you once caused me, yes? It also would have shown everyone how different you are now.
I just want some rest.
That was all you were saying, I'd be able to get some rest. I take it all back. This is why everyone hates you.
Better to be feared.
It is better to be feared than loved. You know who said that? Yeah, some sad asshole. Eating alone. But, no, hate's the wrong word. They fear you more than anything. You ate a lot of people back in your day. I thought we were all supposed to have a fresh start here. I can't change the past. Well, you can't change people's memories either.
That is true.
Look, I'm not saying it's fair, but it's real. People are scared of you. I mean, look at your hands. Who'd you get in a fight with? A fable, right? I'm sure you're not going around punching Mondays.
Not my fault.
It wasn't my fault. I get the impression you say that a lot.
Well, I wasn't trying to impress a pig.
You try keeping a bunch of fables from killing each other. How do you think this all works? I don't know. How? By being big and being bad. By being big and being bad. Don't say that shit in front of people. It's embarrassing. That's
Considering
the attitude that gets you
considering
in
he's a
trouble.
werewolf and all.
I'm sure you were shitty to everyone you came across tonight. Not everyone. Name one.
There was a girl. Wait, Beauty.
Beauty.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I told her I'd lie for her.
Right. Yeah. That's real nice of you. Life is easier with friends, Bigby. And we live a long fucking time. I know you like this whole lone wolf thing you got going for yourself. But I've seen the way you look at Snow, okay? You're not fooling me.
Will you shut up?
Well, maybe if my throat wasn't so parched, I wouldn't have to keep talking.
Wait, that doesn't make
Just
sense.
give me a drink, please.
Colin, enough already. I haven't slept in 2 days. I went out a second-story window, and I want to get in 2 seconds of shut-eye before I... Look, if I give you this, will you let me sleep?
Yeah, all right. Probably.
Give him a drink.
Thanks, Bigby.
Hey, he's a talking pig, but he's still a pig. Still drinks and eats like one. I hate to see who that's behind. Oh boy. Well, guys, I know this is basically really annoying, but hey, I said every time we have to walk, I have to finish the game. I mean, stop the video from here. So, guys, if you want to see some more The Wolf Among Us, stay tuned next Saturday. Because remember, every Saturday I do The Wolf Among Us for both my channels. And also, I am still open to suggestions from my channel, Paul Holstein, that I need some suggestions for tomorrow. So make sure to keep okay, I'm just blabbering here. Okay. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are a new person and want to be a Freakazoid or an Ultra Gamer, just click the like button and click that subscribe button. So, for my Freakazoids, I'll see you on the Freakazoid side, and for my Ultra Gamers, game hard, and goodbye.